13 hobbies that make scrolling feel pointless and quietly upgrade your life. First, learning AI and automation. In the next few years, the people who understand AI won't just work faster, they'll think bigger. Learn how to use tools that write, design, research, edit, and organize your ideas. While most people use their phone to escape work, you can use that same screen to build systems that save you hours. Second, strength training. Lifting weights, doing calisthenics, or training your body teaches one simple lesson. Confidence is built through evidence. Every rep becomes a small promise you kept. And when your body gets stronger, your mind stops accepting weak excuses. Third, reading real books, especially biographies, psychology, and history. A good book lets you borrow someone else's experience without paying their price. You see how people failed, adjusted, survived, and won. That's a much better use of your attention than watching strangers live their lives. Fourth, chess or strategy games. Chess trains patience. It forces you to slow down, think ahead, and accept consequences. After a while, you start noticing the same pattern in life. Rushed moves create long problems. Fifth, martial arts. Boxing, wrestling, jiu-jitsu, or kickboxing. These hobbies build something deeper than aggression. They build calm under pressure. You learn how to breathe when you're tired, how to stay focused when you're uncomfortable, and how to respect people who can challenge you. Sixth, writing. Journaling, essays, scripts, notes, anything. Writing turns messy thoughts into clear thoughts. If an idea is weak, the page exposes it. If an emotion is confusing, the page organizes it. That's why writing is one of the cheapest ways to become mentally stronger. Seventh, spending time outdoors. Go for long walks, hike, sit near water, watch the morning light. Nature gives your brain space again. Scrolling fills your head with noise. Silence gives your priorities back. Eighth, teaching what you learn. Explain a book, make a short post, help a friend, record a simple video. Teaching is proof of understanding. The moment you try to explain something simply, you find out whether you really know it or you were just collecting information. Ninth, learning sales and negotiation. Most people lose opportunities because they never learn how to ask. Negotiation is not manipulation. It's learning how to communicate value, create options, and stop accepting the first offer life gives you. 10th, public speaking. Speak in meetings, record yourself, join a group, practice in front of people. Clear communication changes how others see you, but more importantly, it changes how you see yourself. You stop hiding your voice. 11th, learning how to think. Study mental models, decision-making, logic, and problem-solving. In a world where everyone has opinions, the person who can think clearly becomes dangerous in a good way. 12th, video editing. Attention is the currency of the internet, and editing is the skill that controls attention. Learn pacing, cuts, music, hooks, and storytelling. This hobby can turn into a career, a side income, or the engine behind your own brand. 13th, building something online. A YouTube channel, a page, a newsletter, a small business, a portfolio, anything. Scrolling makes you a consumer. Building makes you a player. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start and improve in public. And honestly, in my opinion, the biggest mistake is trying to change your whole life in 1 week. Pick only 2 hobbies, one for your body and one for your mind. Do them for 90 days. You'll feel the difference, not because motivation saved you, but because your identity started changing. Comment the 2 hobbies you're choosing, because your life won't improve from saving this video. It improves when you actually do the thing. Subscribe.